Hello, my name is Kamil Talar. I'm expert in Poland market of energy storage. We are also supplier and manufacturer of energy storage system. Today we are at PIME Battery Forum Poland, and we are on our main distributor booth. So today we have meetings. Here is our container. You can see on the TV screen. Now is Kekua racks, and Iontech is our container. So it's a battery container. It will be shown soon. So now Bogdan can show you. Those containers are for energy storage, peak shaving, and for arbitrage and ancillary services. So we are focused only on battery sector in Poland. We are doing projects, developing and doing EPC, and we are cooperating with different investment funds, also from Germany, China and US. So we are well known in Poland for our manufacturing, for our mining industry. For energy sector, we have supplied energy storage for our biggest DSOs and TSO, so Tauron and Enea. And now we are developing projects for renewables. So those are PV farms, wind farms and energy storage, and PV farms with energy storage. Now we are discussing with Bogdan mainly the possible of investments in Poland, and we are discussing the possible projects. All are quite big projects exceeding 50 megawatt with grid connection. So I think that Bogdan is in the right place. So thank you, Bogdan, for the connection.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.